Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the 2024 all-new Hyundai Kona. This one is the N-Line. I did review the SE and SEL, but today I'm going to be reviewing this N-Line and show you all the features this N-Line has. Under the hood there is a 1.6 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine produces 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, and the fuel economy numbers are 24 in the city, 29 highway, and 26 combined. Here is the MSRP sticker of this 2024 Hyundai Kona N-Line. If you guys are interested in the standard features, go ahead and pause the video. And the price with destination is $33,970. If you guys are interested in the color is called denim blue, and honestly it looks amazing on this N-Line Kona. I really like the all new Hyundai Kona. I think Hyundai did a great job with the design, and yeah, this color looks really good. I really love the gloss black trims here in the front. There is the N-Line badge right there. And overall I think the design is nice and clean. I really like this LED bar. Not the whole thing is functional, just only the sides are functional of this LED bar. There is a functional grill, or a active shutter grill, so basically opens and closes. I really like the gloss black right here in the front. I think it looks amazing. There's a little bit of gray right here, but design looks amazing. Here is the emergency braking sensor, and yeah, overall I think Hyundai did a great job with the design. Here is the Hyundai badge. It is flush, looks good. I love the lines on the hood, nice and simple. And yeah, overall I think the design looks amazing. For the headlights, not everything right here is LED. The high and low beam are sitting in projector tubes. Turn signal indicator is halogen. The daytime running light is up there, and as I told you guys, only the sides are functional. And there is the reflectors right here on the side. But overall I think the headlight housing looks amazing. It does have that split design which Hyundai is known for. But yeah, overall I think this SUV looks amazing. Let's go ahead and move to the side and I'll show you the side view of this Hyundai Kona. Here is the side view of this all new Hyundai Kona N-Line. Side view looks amazing. There's 8.3 inches of ground clearance, and on the N-Line Hyundai offers 19-inch trims. The size is 235, 45, 19. I think they look amazing, and yeah, overall I think Hyundai did a great job. For the fender flares, they are actually body matched unlike the other trims, and on the side I love those sharp lines. Those sharp lines are very similar to the Elantra and the Tucson, and Hyundai did bring those sharp lines to this Kona. On the mirror there is a blind spot monitoring system and a turn signal indicator, and on the roof there is a standard size sunroof with some roof rails, and in the back there's a beautiful spoiler. I think it looks amazing and definitely adds a nice sporty look to the back of this Kona. There is an N-Line badge, and yeah, overall I think the side view looks amazing. Let's go ahead and move to the back and I'll show you the back view of this Kona. Here's the back of this all new Hyundai Kona N-Line. Back looks amazing with this beautiful big spoiler. It is finished in gloss black and does look very good. The shark fin antenna is finished in gloss black as well. And here is the wiper. Here is the third brake light. Again guys, this spoiler looks amazing. Definitely adds a lot of style to the back of this Kona. There is an LED bar right here. It is all functional unlike the front. Hyundai badge is flush. Kona letters are flush, and they look very good. They're not sticking out. Here is the 8-track with 1.6 turbo badges, and here is the backup camera. If you guys go for the limited trim, you're going to get automatic lift gate. I love the design right here in the front. So when Hyundai said that the N-Line is a exclusive style, or like a different style than the other Konas, they did actually mean it, and they did pay attention to details. I love this aggressive diffuser, beautiful exhaust tips, beautiful design right here, and yeah, paying attention to details is amazing. Other car companies, they would just add a black spoiler, different rims, but on this N line, Hyundai did actually do a lot to differentiate between the SE, SEL, and limited trims. So definitely beautiful design. I really like this gray trim right here in the bottom, and yeah, overall I think the design looks amazing. Here's a key of this all new Hyundai Kona. Key looks okay, not a big fan of it. It's very old style, and I believe Hyundai was using a similar key like that back then. But yeah, I prefer the older key. I think the older key looked better. This key is extremely light, does feel okay in hand, doesn't feel solid, but yeah, just not a big fan of it. There's 4 buttons on it: lock, unlock, remote start, and a panic button. Let's go ahead and unlock the SUV. As I told you guys, this one does not have automatic lift gate. It is manual lift gate, and does open nice and quick. Inside there is a lot of space, much better than the previous Kona, and there's this privacy cover that goes up and down with the lift gate. And right here on the right there is a speaker, subwoofer, there's some hooks, there's an LED light, and underneath there is a spare tire with the jack and the jack tools. And right here on the left side there is a storage place, some tie downs. There's 4 tie downs around this trunk, but yeah, overall I think the trunk is nice and big, and getting things in and out is extremely easy because the loading floor is nice and low. Here is the door handle. The door handle has a sensor right here. This will lock the SUV, and to unlock it there is another sensor behind the door handle. That's how you unlock this Kona. Here is the front door panel. Front door panel looks okay. It's all finished in plastic. There is really no design to this door panel. I really wish there was like a little bit of red stitching to match the interior and the seats of this Kona. This is finished in plastic. This right here is soft, so this whole thing right here is soft. The armrest is soft, not extremely soft, but does have some little bit of padding to it. The front 2 windows are automatic up and down. Mirror controls. Door handle feels nice and light but solid. It is finished in blacked out chrome, and this is plastic, but it does feel very solid plastic, not cheap plastic like the previous Kona. Decent amount of storage place right here. This N line has Bose sound system, and coming inside, the seats are comfortable. I did drive this Kona for 20 minutes and I was comfortable. I love the red accents, the stitching. The side is wrapped in leather. The center is that suede material. Definitely nice and grippy. I really like the N line badge on the seat. But let's go ahead and move inside this N line and I'll show you how it looks like from the inside. Alright, so here is the interior of this all new 2024 Hyundai Kona N line. The interior looks amazing. I really like the red accents and the red stitching on the steering wheel. The steering wheel design is very good. It is wrapped in leather, and yeah, overall I think the steering wheel looks good. The 4 dots mean H, and that's what Hyundai is going to start doing instead of putting an H on the steering wheels. Behind the steering wheel there's some paddle shifters, and right here on the left there is the adaptive cruise control. So this Kona has all the nice safety features: blind spot monitoring system, safe exit, rear cross traffic, emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, steering assist, and lane keeping assist with blind spot monitoring system, and yeah, all the nice safety features. Leather feels nice and smooth. And behind the steering wheel there is the headlight controls with the turn signal controls, and on the right there is the wiper controls for the front and back. And here is the shifter that will control the 8-speed automatic transmission, Hyundai shift by wire. I'll show you that in a bit. There's 2 12.3-inch screens, and this right here changes when you change the drive modes. There is 3 drive modes: normal, sport, and snow. And this display shows you the speed limit, stop signs, yield signs, and right here on the left, the air vent looks good. Red accents or red finishes. Not exactly sure if that's a speaker or just a cloth material. Right here, the SE and SEL trim did have it. And down here, there is the brightness control, traction control, hill descent, and e-brake. The hood release is in the bottom. And here is the 12.3 inch screen. It does look very good, and it is very, very responsive. If you want to go deep in the settings, you have to go to setup. That will take you deeper in the settings. You could go to general. That will take you even deeper. So there's a lot of things on this screen or in this system. And there's built-in navigation, by the way. This is on the N line and the Limited. I believe if you get the SEL convenience package, it will add built-in navigation. And yeah, the system overall is nice and smooth. You could lower the brightness, you could increase the guidance, the beep display, you could turn off the display if you want to. And yeah, overall very good system. Let me go ahead and show you the backup camera. Backup camera resolution is very good. There's 3 different angles: top, normal, and wide. And here is the shifter. To put the SUV in park, hit the park button, and to put the SUV in reverse, twist this down, and to put it in drive, move it to the front or up, neutral slightly down, and then the park button is right here. Here is the engine start stop. I really like the red accents, more of the red accents right there. This is textured plastic, feels good, doesn't feel cheap. There's a storage place right here. This Kona has a lot of plastic, but the plastic doesn't feel cheap like the previous Kona. The climate controls and everything is very easy to use. Right here there's some shortcuts. So let's see, if you want to go to map, click on map, that will take you straight to map. Back home, volume knob, and a tune knob. And here is the climate controls. Very easy to use. Dual climate controls, 3 stages of automatic function. Here is the off button, and yeah, very easy to use. Here is the temperature, fan speed, and the mode. And yeah, overall very easy to use. Down here there is a wireless phone charger with 2 USB Type-Cs, 12 volt. There is 2 USB Type-Cs in the back with a storage place. One will only charge and the other one will charge and display Apple CarPlay. Beautiful wireless phone charger design. And down here there is heated seats, 3 stages, brake hold, a button to turn on the camera when the SUV is in park or drive. And here is the drive mode. As I told you guys, 3 drive modes. A button to lock all the wheels, so when the SUV is stuck in snow or mud, all the wheels will spin at the same time. Cup holders look amazing. You could actually hide them in, like the Palisade and other Hyundai products. So there's more space to put something big. If you want to use the cup holders, push, and the cup holders will come out. A lot of storage places. There is a tray right here. Decent amount of space. The lower trims did not actually have this divider right here, so I'm glad that Hyundai added this divider right here on this N line. And the armrest is not very soft, but it is padded, which is nice. And up here, the rear view mirror is nice and long, almost frameless. The bezels are extremely thin. This Kona has Blue Link SOS LED lights, which is nice. And for the shade, it is not manual, so you have to click the button to open the shade. So there is no button, there is no handle to open it manually. So push the button This will open the shade. Push the button one more time. It will open the sunroof, and the sunroof is actually big. I don't think it's a standard size sunroof. Definitely bigger than a standard sunroof. This is the max it opens. Of course, you could tilt it, and this is finished in plastic, which is completely fine. It does feel nice and solid. There's LED lights. It does look yellow on the camera, and a massive mirror, which I really like. And yeah, overall, guys, I think the interior looks amazing. I think Hyundai did a great job with this Kona. Here is the back door panel. Back door panel has the same design as the front. This right here is soft like the front. This is soft. Up top is plastic. Door handle feels nice and solid. Here is a window switch. Plastic in the bottom. It does feel very solid. And there's a cup holder in the bottom of this door. Inside, there is actually a very good amount of leg room and headroom. So this Kona is definitely much better than the previous Kona. There is an armrest back here. Combination of leather and suede, so definitely grippy material. This is leather, soft. 2 cup holders. You could recline the seats down more, so there is I believe there is 2 reclines, 2 settings for the recline, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so there's 2 settings for the recline. And hopping inside, there is air vents, 2 USB Type-Cs with a storage place. There's a pocket behind the passenger seat, nothing behind the driver's seat. And by the way, there is an LED light back here. And that's how the front of this Hyundai Kona N-Line looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of this 2024 Hyundai Kona N-Line. If you guys are interested in the other trims, make sure to check out those videos on my channel. I would like to thank Sam and Key Hyundai of Milford for providing me this Kona. If you guys are around, if you guys are interested, make sure to come and check them out. I'm going to go ahead and put their information link in the bottom of this video. And if you guys are interested in any car detailing products, make sure to check out my website. I'm going to go ahead and link it in the bottom of this video. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, please like and subscribe because it does help a lot. And as always, I'll see you next time.